Guten Tag, travel buddies. We're here in Munich, Germany, at the Hilton Munich City, and I'm already feeling the good vibes. If you're into exploring new places and experiencing different cultures like me, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Trek Motion for more travel adventures. So guys, I'm stoked to be staying in one of their king executive rooms. They're not the cheapest option, but trust me, they're worth every penny. We're talking higher floors with amazing city views, access to the exclusive executive lounge with free breakfast, drinks, and snacks throughout the day, perfect for refueling after a day of sightseeing. And the room itself is super spacious and comfy. If you're traveling with family, it's definitely the way to go. The king-sized bed is massive. There's a large dining table where we can all hang out, and the Nespresso machine keeps us caffeinated for our adventures. Plus, the bathroom is luxurious with a walk-in shower and plush bathrobes. Have a look and see for yourself. It's seriously amazing. But seriously, what I'm loving most is the German hospitality, especially here in Bavaria. Everything is so clean and well-maintained, and the people are incredibly friendly and welcoming. It really makes you feel at home. The only thing I wish is that more tourists would be respectful of the local culture and environment. Let's all do our part to leave a positive impact on the places we visit, right? All right, I'm off to explore more of this beautiful city. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Trek Motion for more travel fun.